Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another quick tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make drop-down list in Google Sheet. So let's dive into it. Open Google Sheets in your web browser. First, choose the cell where you want the drop-down list to appear. You can also select multiple cells. Right-click on the selected cell and choose drop-down from the pop-up menu. A sidebar titled Data Validation Rules will appear. Here, we define what kind of list we want. Under Criteria, choose List of Items if you want to type the options directly. Now, enter each option on a separate line in the criteria box. Click Add another item for each additional option you want. In Advanced Options, you will find more options to explore. These include help sign for selected cell, options for invalid data entry, and display style options. There's also a section for data validation. You can choose to have Google Sheets reject input if someone enters something not on the list or display a warning message. Next, click Done at the bottom of the sidebar. Your cell will have a drop-down list with the options you created. And that's it. Thanks for watching.